most of the trains double stack today then?
Yes, like I said, we're about 70% COFC here, 30% TOFC. There it goes.
You have some heavy winds out here. That makes it kind of wicked with the guy with the
you know, not too much. These chains aren't that long. They're like on a ship where the cables are real long. You get a lot of that motion. These aren't too bad here.
Which are you guys talking with the Koenig cranes?
We're talking for Koenig. We're looking at Northwest Ohio.
Oh, okay.
We're going to put those cranes, wide span cranes there at Northwest Ohio.
You're going to go with the Koenig cranes ones?
Well, they're in a bidding. There's MyJack's bidding on.